What's up, guys? Long time no see. Jay with Liberty Ring Creations. We're back. It's been forever. I had an interesting go at it with this COVID thing, and summer was busy. Had some projects around the house that needed to be done, but we are back. I recently reached out to Brad from the Hoover Boys, a channel I follow on YouTube. If you guys are interested in anything metal detecting, check them out because it's awesome. Those guys are great. So we're going to make a ring for Brad today, and it's probably, we may need to do a multi-part series because it's going to be an interesting, I think I have an idea what I want to do. So I've started making some cutting boards with this ambrosia maple. I guess it's spalted ambrosia, whatever. I think ambrosia is the new fancy term for it. Little charcuterie boards. So I have some of this material left over. So my thought process is I might do a wood coin hybrid with some of the slab blank I have left. So I'm thinking we might use this and just a $50 on the outside, similar to Matt's ring that we made a while back, the copper and cherry burl. We're going to do the same idea, but with a different wood and a different coin, of course. So that's, I think, what we're going to try to do today. And let's get to it. All right, so we get the blank and the lathe, and we're going to square it up. Looks like it's a little wobbly. Try and true that up a little bit. This maple looks like it should be nice to work with. Pretty hard wood. Square up the face. Now I'm going to take off some of the shoulder of the wood to allow us to wrap the coin on top. So I'm reaching out to Brad right now. I'm trying to figure out what year he was born. I think he's a younger fella, younger than me. And hopefully I'll have a $50 with his birth year on it. I'm going to guess that he was born around 82, but we're going to put the $50 and the stars and the eagle wings. We're going to put that on the outside. I just think it's a nicer look for a ring. So Brad, if you weren't born in 82, sorry, but that's the one I picked. so now we'll take the parting tool and cut our ring. So I'm going to put it on the collet here and try and clean up the edges. We got some hairs in there we got to clean up. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jay, Liberty Ring Creations. So today we're going to wrap up the episode for the ring I made for Mr. Brad Johns of the Hoover Boys, which came out really cool. And I was going to finish it on camera, but we sort of ran out of time and the ring was being had a little attitude with me, so we didn't get the finished process on film, but you guys have seen that on some of the other videos of how we finish the ring. So that's it. Brad, I hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you soon. We'll see you guys later. Peace.